gust was reported in Hartford. At 3:53 p.m., an 85 miles an hour wind gust was reported near Wall Lake. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, Minnehaha County in southeastern South Dakota, Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jasper to near Rock Rapids to near Hudson, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rock Rapids, Hull and Dune around 4:15 p.m. George and Ellsworth around 4:20 p.m. Boyden, Morris and Matlock around 4:25 p.m. Orange City and Little Rock around 4:30 p.m. Sheldon, Sibley, Alton, Ashton and Leota around 4:35 p.m. Adrian, Hospers and Lismore around 4:40 p.m. Sanborn, Wilmot and Granville around 4:45 p.m. Ocheyedan, Rushmore, Melvin and Archer around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Kenneth, Monetta, Calumet, Kimbry, Dundee, Steen, Magnolia and Bigelow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Iowa, Lyon, Sioux, O'Brien and Osceola, and the following counties. At 4 p.m., Sioux City had a partly sunny sky. The temperature was 92, and